Fix the problem of mobile data is off in the Google search browser. If any day you are using the Google search browser and you are facing the problem like your mobile data is off and you are quite frustrated, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. After that, you have to go to the settings icon on your very mobile device. After you move to the settings icon on your mobile device, you have to go to the search icon and then search apps out there. After you search apps out there, now you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the option of the apps. After you tap on the option of the apps, you can see an interface like this. Now in the search icon, you have to search the Google Chrome. And after you search Google Chrome, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the Chrome there. After you tap on the Chrome, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the first option, that is notification, and enable allow notification and allow sound and vibration. After that, you can go back and then go to the option of the permissions. Here you have to allow the permission to camera, location, microphone, music and audio, notification, photos and videos. And after that, you can go back and then go to the option of the browser app there. After you tap on browser app, you have to also set the default browser app to the Chrome there and then go to the back option there. And after you go to the back option, now you have to go to the option of the storage. And if you see any of the cache, you can go to the option of the clear the cache and then go back again and then go to the option of the app details in store. After you tap on app details in store, you can see that the Google Chrome will be open in the Google Play Store. And if you see the option of update out there, you have to update your very application, and this way your very problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.